Today we are going to be learning simple algebra, and the topic we have on the board is addition of algebraic terms. Before now, I've made videos on the introduction of simple algebra, where I told you algebra started from our open sentences, which we learned in our primary school, like boss plus 5 is equal to 8. And you will try to, with your numerical skills, you will now know that what we add to 5 to give you 8, and the answer is 3. In your junior high school, it's taking it takes another shape where we now transform these open sentences to what we call algebraic sentences. And in this case, this box will be replaced by, let me say, a letter. X plus 5 is equal to 8. And just as in your open sentences, you find out that this box means anything, there's a number that will add to 5 to give you 8. In this case, is 3. When we now, in your secondary school, if you now put this thing as X, replace this box as X, the same thing you are going to do. Now, X stands for a number that we add to 5 to give you 8. And in this case, X is equal to 3. So the introduction of letters to mathematics is what we call algebra. In algebra, we now have letters in mathematics. At this point, we are just starting with a single, like if you look at some things here, it's just see P, P, V, V, V. We will not see V and C on the same mathematical equation or open or algebraic sentence. So at this point, we are just starting with just a letter. This and a simple algebra. We're not introducing you to algebra. So with this now, we now talked about how we are going to be representing letters. For instance, we said that if we have items, we can represent these items with letters. For instance, something like your cup here now is standing, we say let X represent a cup. That means in place of your cup now, we shall be having X. So now we are going to be dealing with how to add algebraic terms. These terms that we got in our last class, in the last video we did, where we made explanations of things like 3x means x plus x plus x, and 4t means t plus t plus t plus t. So if you have not watched that video, I'll put the link below so that you understand how we got to even this 3x, 2x, and then we start seeing some algebraic terms here. There's a video on that. But this video is on the addition of algebraic terms. Now, we have said that we use letters to represent items in mathematics. In life, you are going to be finding items, houses, cars. When you find them in mathematics, we are not going to be saying something like let me say, we can just represent houses we have in an area with a letter P. So if we have 20 houses in that area, we can say we have 20P. So now we are going to be looking at how to add these terms, because when we now say we have 20P, let me say, in an area let me say in area A, we have 20 houses, that is 20p. In area B, we have 30 houses, that is 30p. So if we now say how many houses are in area A and area B, so what you have to do is to add 20p to 30p to give you what? 50p. So these are the things we do in mathematics, but we are just from the rudiments, want to be teaching you how these things, how what we do in algebra, and now we are in addition of algebraic terms. I want to assume some persons that are watching this video, they've not even heard the word algebra before, like some persons in JS1. That's why I'm starting from the rudiments to explain how to add algebraic terms. So when you are adding algebraic terms, you don't need to be afraid. What you're doing is the normal addition you've been doing, addition of numbers you've been doing. Just now, this time you're just going to add the letter to it.